Hello everyone! Welcome to my kitchen. Today we start by heating a little bit of olive oil in a frying pan. Next, add 400 grams or 14 ounces of minced pork and beef. Let's give it a good fry. Friends, please write in the comments what country and city are you from? It's very nice to know that we can communicate all over the world. As that sizzles away, let's finely chop one onion. And add it to the mix. If you have any questions about the recipe, write to me and I will answer as soon as I see it in the comments. Now, it's time to season with 1 teaspoon each of salt, black pepper, paprika, and a delightful mixture of Provencal herbs. Squeeze in 2 cloves of garlic for that extra flavor kick. Friends, I'd be happy if you could give this video a like, as it's the best reward from you. Let's slice up 1 tomato.
Зачем?
And finally chop a bunch of parsley. These will add a burst of freshness to our dish. Friends, if you enjoy my content, subscribe to the channel to receive notifications about new similar recipes. While our meat mixture simmers, let's cook up some farfalle pasta. Pour water into a pan. Salt the water. and add 250 grams or 9 ounces of pasta to salted boiling water. Along with a drizzle of olive oil. Now let's layer our baking dish with the meat mixture and pasta, creating a delicious savory base for our casserole. In a separate saucepan, melt 50 grams or 2 ounces of butter. Then add 3 tablespoons of flour. This will create a rich and creamy sauce for our casserole. Once our flour and butter are combined, pour in ½ liter or 17 fluid ounces of milk, stirring continuously until it thickens. Season with 1 teaspoon each of nutmeg, salt, and black pepper. Now, let's pour this velvety sauce over our casserole. Ensuring every inch is coated with goodness. No casserole is complete without a generous sprinkle of cheese. Let's grate 200 grams or 7 ounces of soft cheese. And then sprinkle it over the top. It's time to bake our masterpiece. Pop it into the oven at 180 degrees Celsius or 360 degrees Fahrenheit for 25 minutes until golden and bubbling. While our casserole works its magic, let's toss together a vibrant salad. Slice 1/4 of red cabbage. Slice 1/4 of white cabbage. One cucumber. One bunch of parsley. Chop 1 red onion. In a separate bowl, pour 1 cup of boiling water and 2 tablespoons of white grape vinegar. Let stand it for 5 minutes. A half of a can of sweet corn, in a separate bowl, we'll whisk together 1 jar of Greek yogurt, 2 tablespoons of lemon juice, 1 teaspoon of Dijon mustard, 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of black pepper. Now, let's dress our salad with this tangy mixture and give it a good toss. Our casserole is ready, and now, the moment we've all been waiting for. Let's dig in and savor the flavors of our cheesy casserole and crisp salad. Bon appétit! Thanks for joining me today in my kitchen. Be sure to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more delicious recipes. Until next time, happy cooking.